In this video, I'm going to show you how to apply iron-on to wood using an EasyPress. I'll be making a little bunny wood sign today. I'm here in Design Space and I've got the project loaded already, so I'm here on the canvas and I have my bunny image. I found this image in Cricut Access, so I'll leave a link below for you if you want to make that project too. You can just click on the link and it will pull up this exact screen for you. So all you have to do is size your bunny according to the dimensions that you need. And I wanted to show you a quick way to do that. So what I did is I wanted to create a template for my sign. There is a templates button here on the left, but I just usually tend to make my own. So you can click on shapes and then we'll click on square. My sign is 6 inches by 6 inches, the base of it. So I'll just enter in those dimensions and then I'm just going to send this square to the back. That way I can put my bunny on top of it. And then as you can see from here, I can move the bunny to whatever dimension I want. And what's nice is the square serves as a template, so I know exactly what my bunny will look like on the sign. So once you have it exactly how you would like it, then you can delete the square and then we'll click on make it. So from here, it's super important to remember to mirror your image since we're working with iron-on and we put it face down onto the mat. So on the left-hand side here, we'll click on mirror and then we'll click continue. We'll get connected to our Air 2 and we'll get going from there. Alright, so I've got my iron-on cut to size and we are going to apply it face down onto a standard grip cutting mat. Just gonna grab a scraper tool to help push down. So since this is a custom setting with it being patterned iron-on, we're gonna move the smart dial to custom and we'll search for patterned iron-on in Design Space. Choosing your cutting setting is really simple. All we're going to do is click on browse all materials and then we'll type in patterned iron and then select patterned iron-on from here. So now I've got the right setting. We'll triple check that we have mirrored our image, so that's good. And we are ready to get this loaded and cut. All right, now that the arrow's flashing, we'll get this loaded in and we will get cutting. To remove the material from the mat, I'm going to flip the mat over and have the mat bend back while I hold the iron on straight. Now we're going to weed. I'm going to be using a weeder tool to do this. And we're going to weed again from the back, not from the front. So I just like to start in one of the top corners and just peel down. Luckily, this is a very simple design. It's just the bunny. And weeding iron-on is very simple. Alright, so there is our bunny, and here's what it looks like from the front. Figuring out the settings for the EasyPress is super simple when you use Cricut's heat guide. I will include a link below so that you can find that and use it. I highly recommend it if you have an EasyPress. So what we'll do is we'll click on our EasyPress, and then you'll find your transfer material. So we have patterned iron-on, and then you'll select your base material, and we're using wood. And then we have an EasyPress mat and we'll click apply. So as you can see here, it gives us the time and the temperature, but also gives us some other really helpful instructions like preheating, firm pressure, and cool peel. So definitely use the heat guide when you're using your EasyPress. Alright, so now that the EasyPress is all heated up, we are going to get started. Wanted to show you what my little sign looks like. I actually made this out of 1x2 pine and some plywood, but you can pick up blank signs at any craft store or go ahead and make your own. The first thing that we're going to do is preheat for 5 seconds. I'm going to put butcher paper over my sign. It will probably be fine if you don't have butcher paper, but I just like to use this as like a precautionary thing because obviously you spend money on your EasyPress. The last thing you want to do is wreck it. And we're just going to press for 5 seconds. And now I'm going to take the iron-on design and I'm going to do my best to center it here. And then I'll push down. And then again, I'm going to apply the butcher paper and then my EasyPress for 30 seconds. And it does say to do firm pressure. Well, I'm pretty much pushing down with everything I have in me. Alright, we're all finished. And now it does say to do a cool peel. So we're just gonna let that cool down and then we'll remove the carrier sheet. Alright, so it is pretty much cool. It's a little warm still, but I'm gonna give this a try. We'll peel it up. Perfect. All right, so that transferred successfully. And now the last thing I'm going to do is apply a little tail. So for the tail on the bunny, I have a little wool ball. You could do a cotton ball. You can make a little pom-pom out of yarn, but this is just what I have on hand. So I'm just going to use some hot glue and glue it right on. And there you have them. That is all I have for you guys today. I hope you enjoyed learning how to apply iron-on to a wood surface using an EasyPress. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and hit subscribe for more Cricut videos. Thanks for watching.